I'm Karl and I make stuff. I upload videos to this channel showing how I built different things out of wood, plastic, paper and other stuff like that. And because I've also had to learn to edit videos, actually I'm still learning to edit videos. Because of this channel I'm also uploading videos about how I'm doing that. So if you're interested in any of these stuff, please subscribe. Now I'm mostly figuring most of this stuff out myself, so don't take these as tutorial videos. And if you have any suggestions or criticism, please let me know. Now I've lost count of the number of times I've said stuff in this video, but I hope you enjoy this channel and thank you for watching.